Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a professional and good designed logo free in the Canva tool. You don't need to be expert in designing to use Canva tool for creating logo for your new company or new office. So let's see, we will use some of free features to create our logo into Canva. You can go to Canva by this URL canva.com, and also you might need an account, right? Free account. This will be your free account. Login into Canva so that you have access to the free resources of Canva. So make sure you have signed up to the Canva. So let's go ahead and create a logo in under 5 minutes. Let's search for the logo design for my car company. Yeah, I'm searching for a logo design for my car company, and you can see I got a lot of options down below, and there are some of free logo and some are premium logo. For premium logo, we have to upgrade our account and we have to buy a Canva subscription that we don't need right now. So there are some of free logo also which are also very attractive here. We can try them as well. So let's see some of them. Okay, let's try this. Now go to customize this template. Okay, let's customize it. And also the very interesting thing about Canva is that when you come here to customize the logo and you close your Canva and then you will come in again and log in into Canva, you will find your all recent templates, images and everything or projects here, right? In this section. So here we are supposed to get this logo for our company and we will customize it according to our requirements, right? And then I will show you how we can get this logo free. One more thing I want to show you that you can just search from the home screen logo. That's it, right? So you can get the logo option under here. Right. As I have searched for specific car logo, so I can also search for logo designs here, right? And then I can customize the design I like according to my requirement. See, now I get a more option of the logo down here. Okay, so let's first go ahead and change the name for our car rental company, and I wanna put the name of that car rental company on my name. Let me add my name here, Zubair Inc. Okay, and I don't like these type of font. And let's say if you want to change these fonts type, you can go here and you can select any other font according to your need. So I need this Arial simple fonts. Also, I don't would like this color of the fonts, and you can change the text color also by going to here. So let's change the font color to blue. Okay, let's select the font first and change it to blue. That's great. The color gets changed now. It's also again the font family. If you want to change, you can go to here and then again you can select here the Arial that was here earlier. And okay, this looks fine. I also want my company this portion for my car rental company to some change to some other color. So let's see what color looks better here, right? Let's first try blue. Yeah, this also looks good. This also looks good. Let's see. Okay, let's change this color to this one and this one. No. So here I am changing this color just to guide you, right? How you can do this. So This red color looks fine here according to my thinking. You can change anything according to your requirement. Also, here are some of the fonts you see. You can also change these fonts color. Okay. Uh, if you want these fonts change to some other color, you can go here and choose the red. And as like it took time to for me to change one by one to change these steric colors. But if I go to here, change all, this will change all of them to the static. That's perfect. Let's change back the color of my company name as it's not looking good. That's great. Now it looks fine. And then go here and let's change this color as well to red. Now if you see I have changes all the colors and things according to my requirement. And if still, just to explain you, if you want to add any elements right to your logo, you can also do that. For example, if I wanna add any element here, let any shape here, let's scroll and see static here. If you are seeing, there was already a star added right into my logo, and I want to add a star down here. I'm just doing this to show you that if I want to add star here with the red color, I can also do that. Looks like the logo is now more better than earlier. If you want to add one more star, this element here, if you can do a plus button and you can add it like this. Now my logo looks more attractive. Also, if we don't like anything and we want to revert that, we can go here and we can do undo one by one. See, I did one time and the static disappear from here and it came here. And if I do one more time, this will disappear completely from here. Let's do one more, and here you go. Also, if someone have access to Canva, they might have access to your logo design. Just make sure you will customize your logo as much as you can. Okay. If you still want to add any text here, you can click on the text and you can add a heading here. And let's see if I can change my car color or no. Yeah, that's great. I can do this as well in the free subscription of Canva. And now car is also red. So I get the red, complete red logo for my new rental company. So for more customization, you can also go to styles here and let's go to try it now so that no one can copy our logo or no one can make the same logo as we have created here. So let's try some of the color palettes here. Um, wow, see, now it gets changed. Let's try the next one. This also looks pretty good. Let's see the Cardo. That's great. This looks like more efficient. I still want these static and these spots red and okay, that's perfect. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with all settings of my logo and with all of the preview. Please note that I've tried my best to explain you how we can get logo for our company and how we can design it free. And the last thing I want to show you how we can download it for free. If you go to share option and then you can go to download as I have the free subscription of Canva and I'm using my email get logged into Canva and this is totally free. I didn't pay it for anything. So I cannot use any of other options here. And if you wanna get to Canva, I will paste Canva link into my video so that you can get to Canva and create free things according to your need. And if you wanna upgrade to Canva Pro, you can also upgrade it to Canva Pro version. Thanks for watching, keep commenting, and keep sharing my videos. So I'm downloading Canva, the logo I have created, and let's download it on the desktop and hit save. This will download the WinRAR file. Okay, and we have to extract it as this is the logo. And please note that you will get this logo without any trademark or Canva trademark. So this is totally free and this is totally perfect. See, I got the logo for my car company and I also get both options here, right? This was the first one we got from the Canva Pro and this was the one I required for my company. That's it about today's lecture. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing, keep commenting, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.